Today we're going to show you how to find the paint code on a Porsche. My friend here, Daniel, he's new in the automotive industry, but I'll tell you what, he's great with customer service. Find the paint code, Daniel.
As you can see right here, the paint code is in this section right here.
Fail.
Follow me. Oh, it's right here. I think.
That, my friends, is not how you find the paint code. In your glove box, in the owner's manual, there's a maintenance booklet. It's gonna be here. That's how you find a Porsche paint code. Our mission at Ready Car Parts is to help do-it-yourselfers and car enthusiasts get the job done by making auto body simple, professional, and affordable.